What's up, guys? It's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm back with another video. Oh.
Hey, Diamond, Reeise, hey, bro, it's another one, and another one.
Well, today we are talking about hygiene again, because I feel like y'all need a single video with just me in it, just explaining about hygiene and stuff, just getting a little bit parts of the other video that I had. If you didn't see that video, I'm gonna put a link right here so you can click on it and check it out. Okay, so first we're gonna go with cleaning yourself the right way. Okay, so this rag right here, you're gonna need a rag. It doesn't really matter what kind of rag, but I do recommend a regular rag to clean your vagina. Put soap on it, and we not talking about no body wash Dove. We ain't talking about no Body Works. No, that's not what you put in your vagina area. Okay, you want to get sensitive, probably Dove if you're sensitive down there. I also get the bar to clean down there, or anything like Dow or organic soap. So what I usually use is the white Dove. That's the one I use, or I use the one that's sensitive. But I don't switch up. Don't switch up your soaps because it can like throw off your pH balance. I don't recommend, changing your soaps every other day. No, don't do that, baby. So when you're cleaning, you're gonna use the water and whatever on your soap, on your rag. But I do recommend first, make sure you actually, put some water down there first, clean out, and then you're gonna put the soap on here, and you're gonna clean inside your vagina. Open it up, baby. Open the hood. Clean around there. Get in there. You want to clean in there. Every inch that you feel, clean it well. Okay, that's probably one of the problems why you smell like that. Okay, so make sure you clean yourself properly. And what I do, I like to feel squeaky, basically. Yeah, I like it squeaky. I don't know how to explain it. I know when I put it be like, you feel me? So I like it very clean, and I like it shaved. That might be one of the reasons why you smell too. Cut the hair, trim it down. You don't want everything to build up in that hair. Cut it. Cut the hair, baby. You do not need that hair. You don't know when you're gonna have an emergency head. Right here, table number 1, right here, ready shaved and ready to go. You feel me? Always keep it shaved. I keep it shaved. I like it shaved, actually. Back then, when I was younger, I didn't like it shaved. But now that I'm older, I'm like, yeah. You feel me? So, I like to keep it shaved down there. I really do. I like to keep it shaved. You could go get it waxed. You could go get a shaver. And some people don't know how to shave. But I can tell you, if you sit on the side of your tub and just sit there, open your legs all the way up. Open it all the way up. Yes, that's how you do it. Open it up and use your razor and cut the sides. Cut the sides. And you could cut, like, you could feel where all your hair is at, wherever your hair is at. Don't cut yourself. Now, if you don't want to go deep in, you don't have to, but make sure it's trimmed. Okay? Open those legs, open the lips, shave on the side, and you're done. You feel me? Now, perfume does not go in the body of vagina. Some people use Summer's Eve and other products, but I feel like I feel like it still kicks off your balance either way. Don't use that. Just use sensitive soap, something with no fragrance in your vagina. Now, Bath and Body Works and all that stuff right there, that's for your body. You feel me? After you scrubbing everything, making everything clean, usually I use the soap first, bar soap, and clean everything. You feel me? And then I'll use the body wash. Squirt, squirt. And I go over it. And now I smell super good and I'm squeaky clean, girl. I like it just like that. Now, there is some pills that you can take, like if you're having some problems down there too, that I definitely recommend. I'm gonna put it right here. Boom, boom. Those pills are amazing. They're not even pills, they look like pearls that you just toss in your mouth, drink a bottle of water, and girl, within 2 days, you just keep taking it. Within 2 days, you gonna feel so fresh down there. You gonna feel fresh. And I definitely recommend, if you are having any problems burning or anything at all, just go get checked out. It's not that hard. It's not hard at all. Getting checked out is so easy. Just get checked out. Now that you're getting older and you having sex often and stuff, definitely go get checked out. And some dicks, yeah, feel me? Yeah, those things can knock off your pH balance. Definitely. And if thinking about having sex, get tested. It's very easy. It's very easy. I feel like today I just had to come to you, tell you how to clean yourself a little bit better, how to change up some of your routines and whatever, and just like, you know, feel fresh, girl. Now you feel fresh. I gave you some tips. Get the rag, get your soap, and clean down there. Just clean. Smell, girl. Girl, smell good. You feel me? You feel me? And when you get older, you know, when you get out of that shower, when you get out of that shower, girl, get you. I like Body Works. I'm not shaming Body Works, but get you some grown woman smells. You feel me? Go to Chanel. Go out and get some J-Lo. I love J-Lo. I love J-Lo perfume. It smells so good. I want to walk past people and smell so good. You feel me? I feel like that Bath and Body Works only lasts for like 2 hours, and you gotta carry the spray with you. No, baby, I want to smell good all day long. I don't gotta take the perfume with me. So definitely get something a little bit more expensive, something that lasts longer. Body Works is okay when you're a teenager and whatever, but like when you get older, or if you at that teenage stage and you want to smell good, I definitely recommend buying something a little bit more expensive, or something that's gonna last longer than Bath and Body Works. So that's all I wanted to tell y'all. If I missed anything, definitely comment below. If you want to see some more videos just like this, comment below. Thumbs up this video. Remember to subscribe. You already know it's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. And guess what? We at 2K, baby. You already know what it is.